Hey.
So we recently got this 2021 Conquest. It is a 32-foot. We're just doing a quick walk around to check out some of the storage containers and basically the outside. And then we will get to hooking up the sewer electrical, so stick in there, guys. In case you're interested, this is the Ramblers RV site in Venice, Florida. So, hey guys, we just got to the campsite. I got my gloves on because we're about to do some dirty work. As you can see, I have the side winder. Got this from Amazon. First time. This is to hold the sewer line, which is your poopy dump. So, we have this clever gadget here. I ordered this on Amazon. I'll leave the links down below. This is from Camp Co. All brand new. We got the other attachment in here. This is the chute that's going to go directly onto there. Let's get this unboxed. So this is what this looks like. Comes with a handy carrier. This is why I didn't take these apart.
Yes, Mom, it goes on like that.
And then that goes into the poopy duck. Let's see. Nope, that doesn't fit. So it just goes in like that. Thanks. I like these clear ducts so that you could see what's coming out. Okay, so we're gonna attach this one here. They come with these nice covers. This is from Camp Co. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you have gloves on, because you are essentially touching poop. Did I mention this is my first time doing this? Come on, clip in. There we go. So this side winder will keep everything flowing nicely with gravity. Telling you, it stinks. It's right here. Come down here. All the way down there. So you might want to back up, because sometimes when you open this for the first time, it spills. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? Oh my gosh. This opens the line. This opens the line for the gray tank. So you don't want to do that. Cap must be securely in place while the vehicle is in motion. Really tight. Oh, you got it? Wait, wait. Oh, okay, go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, good job. All right, so wait, we're not done. So at that point, come this way. You pull this black lever. Does it look good?
Yeah.
The gray tank is right here. Pull it. Because if you open the black tank first, you're flushing all the poop out. When you open the gray tank, you're flushing all the fresh water that was used. So you rinse your system. So we're gonna do the electrical. So our electrical panel is right here. This is where you put in your hookup. Our hookup is right behind you, right here. This actually has 30 amp and 50 amp and an extra outlet for outside. So let's grab the... Got a power cord. We got the yellow. This goes right to your vehicle. No knots, we don't want any knots. All right, so you're gonna power this in. See, this is a 30 amp. Turn it like that. Make sure you have no kinks. In, bam, and it says 50. Turn circuit breaker off before inserting or in. We're gonna have Daddy flip the switch. Honey, can you flip the switch? Okay, blue light is on. Red power light is on. And now we're gonna jack up the stabilizers onto the other side. We have these yellow mats for the stabilizers. You're welcome, Matt. Okay, so in here we have our stabilizing unit. We are going to turn it on. And we're gonna hit auto level. You'll hear the beep until it's done. And it's going to continue to auto level until it is done and the beeping will stop. The red lights indicate that it is complete and that you cannot take off your vehicle until you auto retract. So at this point, we're going to open the awnings.
You gotta cut it.
Really? You're
all
gonna
the
tell
way
me
to
how
the
to
right.
drive?
Yes. It's your first time driving a Golf. Speed limit 10. You going 15?
You went faster than this.
Okay.
I just want to go.
I was going slower than both of you combined.
Hayden, no, you were not.
Yes,
I
I
was
was.
feeling the wind.
And I'm feeling the wind.
And then we go around to the pole. And then we cut right here.
That's a small one.
So, why not?
So we were gonna have a small little. One that they were gonna give us was on the corner of this one, where the blue cone.
Why are you cutting?
Somebody took it. It wasn't even that small.
Is it Jake?
It wasn't that small.
Yes, take a right.
Rabbit run.
Jeez.
It's Geo!
Oh,
Dang, Geo.
where you been? There's a lot of RDs here.
Gator crossing?
What?
Don't be surprised if you see a gator. It's Florida. I got one, John.
Maine again. Wow. Okay, good. There's a basketball hoop. Okay, guys, so this is the Ramblers Resort in Venice, Florida. So, if I had to give this place a rating, I'm gonna say maybe a 7, 8. No fire pit at each location. You aren't even allowed to have a fire pit unless it's above ground for safety reasons, I'm sure. So we are loading up. We disconnected our water filter, our water hose. I tell the kids white for water. And we disconnected our sewer dump. Now one plus I will say is that we did rent this cute little go-kart. Let me show you. So there's the information if you ever stay at the Ramblers Resort in Venice. We are at lot 150. And here it is, 150 in the W section. We were supposed to be in N39, which would have been a smaller corner lot. And we drove past it on the golf cart and it was a lot smaller than this. So this is one of the elite lots. As you can see, there's lots of space on these lots. And we are across from, there's a pond right back here. And this is our entire lot. So you have a place to park your car back here, as well as plenty of grass. You get a picnic table and a spot to park your cars if you bring them. You are allowed 2 cars, which is good. And if you have a hitch trailer, that would extend into the back. That's also very nice. The community is really cute. It's a lot bigger than I thought. We did enjoy the pool. And that was nice. I really would come back. So let me know what you guys think of this RV park, and if you have other suggestions in Florida, if you are a camper, let me know in the comments section. And as always, guys, stay safe.